Fellas, if you're serious about your prostate health, whether it's shrinking the size or boosting your performance, or just keeping your energy on point, I got 5 green solutions you need in your daily flow right now. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with magnesium and zinc in the right proportions and anti-inflammatory compounds. Spinach is like a green shield for your prostate, okay? Add it raw to smoothies or lightly sauteed with garlic and some olive oil. Eat it in salad. That's number 1. Number 2, got broccoli. This is a cruciferous king that contains sulforaphane, which detoxifies excess estrogen and supports the liver. That's a huge win for prostate balance. Number 3, pumpkin seeds. You know, they're green when you get them in the pack. Zinc is crucial for prostate function, and these little green guys are one of the best natural sources for zinc. Plus, they reduce, inflammation in your prostate and the body, which contributes to prostate enlargement, overall inflammation. We talk about that so much in this page. Then you got number 4, green tea. Polyphenols like ECCG in green tea neutralize inflammation and oxidative stress. So drink that every day. I mean, sip it daily, hot, iced, doesn't matter. It's good for long-term protection. Number 5, avocado, healthy fats, beta-sitosterol, and vitamin E. All these things come together to reduce BPH symptoms and support prostate balance as well. But your prostate loves it, and it will help increase your testosterone balance. Now, of course, I said 5, but I got to give you some little bonus. I got a couple other things in here. 2 bonus boosters for the prostate kings out there. Bonus number 1, stinging nettle root. Yes, it is green. It's great for reducing urinary frequency and inflammation, especially when you pair it with saw palmetto, right? Saw palmetto berries. Those are not green, but still, Bonus number 2, moringa powder. That's green. It's green. That's the miracle tree. Moringa is like an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It's rich. It supports hormonal balance. Add a teaspoon to smoothies or to tea, every day. You can do that every day. So there you have it. I give you 5 green solutions plus a bonus 2 others, natural boosters to keep your prostate thriving and your energy rising. So drop a comment below if you're already using some of these elements. You should be. And if you have some of your own secret weapons that are working, all right? So follow for more health tips. Subscribe to my page, and I'm always trying to increase the knowledge base of my brothers. Peace. And by the way, share this with someone who needs to hear it.